Well, hey there, it's Mike here, the FPV Evil Monkey guys, and today is race day. So normally, you guys just see the race footage and stuff like that. So I thought today would be a little bit different. We'll do something kind of unique. So I'm going to take you on the actual race journey with me. So it's about 7:30 in the morning, and I'm just packing up my truck right now. All right, we got the truck packed, and we are getting ready to go. So got to go stop and grab some breakfast really quick. After that, on my way to the track. All right, so here we are on it's race day, and we got our tents. We're starting to get set up, so we'll take a little walk around. We got one of the guys flying his wing, so you guys can see we are setting everything up here. Hey, how's it going, Ty? Here's our track. So we're just setting everything up here, getting ready to do some safety checks here soon, and then we'll get rocking and we will get to rolling.